Hey guys, it's your girl Marissa Brooklyn and I'm back at it again. Today's tutorial is going to be how to finesse your brows, okay? So what I'm going to start with is the actual ingredients, eyebrow ingredients you're going to need. I'm actually looking at another place too. We're going to start with a flat brush. That is a flat brush. The next brush you're going to use is an angled brush. I have to take mine out the wrapper, so definitely excuse the, time delay. You're going to use a spoolie. We got to smooth the brows. You know the vibes, guys. We're going to also need a blending brush. We need it to be clear, all right? So we're going to use some concealer. And we're going to use some foundation. Okay. Be sure to remember the lip gloss for the popping lips. Okay. This is the product that I actually use. It's called Gimme Brow. Well, the brand is called Gimme Brow, but it's a eyebrow like filler. And I never really used it, so I wanted to try it out. Guys, I was struggling to take it out of the box. So the next couple of seconds is going to be me taking it out of the box. It worked well. So, like I said, I'm looking up the directions myself because I'm not really into this. But, you gotta start somewhere. And, I know I'm not the only one. The first step you're going to do is freshly pluck your eyebrows. I smooth my eyebrows out with the spoolie. The good old spoolie. I know y'all see that natural arch. I'm just highlighting my brows at this point. Stop playing with me. But it's okay. All you need is to know where you want your eyebrows to go, and anybody could get this going. Okay? Okay, so the next step is going to definitely be to outline the bottom and the top of your brows. You could use a pencil or, I'm going to use my eyebrow filler and just, fill in kind of where the creases are, where I see the creases are that I want it to look good. But I also, after I'm finished here, I'm also going to be sure to outline it with a actual pencil because, oh, okay, I am actually doing it with the pencil. So excuse me, guys. I'm outlining it with the pen. And then I'm going to go back and fill it with my little gimme brow. Okay. Guys, I made a huge mistake. I'm just like, no. I wish I could zoom in for you guys, but I can't, unfortunately. I'm telling you guys, I was reading I'm reading the tutorials just like you guys, and I'm just like, okay, sure. This makes a lot of sense. Okay, so here's the next step. What you want to do is fill in the back of your eyebrow. And you want to start shading a little lighter as you go to the front of your eyebrow. So like I said, I'm using Gimme Brow, so it all looks like eyebrows. So I'm just, filling in the way I got to fill in. Like I said, my eyebrows already have a natural arch. Luckily, they're a little thick. Guys, I was trying to do my eyebrows, and I didn't cut off a lot of my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are really, growing back now. So now you're going to get your spoolie. And you're going to start to blend out the front of your eyebrow. You want to make sure that is set up how you want it to be set up. Because we are getting deeper into this tutorial, which means we're getting closer to the finish. So, how do you want your finished look to look? Guys, I had to make a pause or whatever. Like I told you guys, I messed up back there. But that was basically how the brow came out. After I decided to wipe off the excess pen. I'm gonna just continue smoothing out my brow. You feel me? You feel me? Let's go. Okay. Now, after you finish smoothing your brow out with your spoolie, you want to get your concealer and get your foundation. So I'm gonna sit here for the next like 30 seconds and try to put concealer on a freaking napkin. As you can see, I got a brush on my concealer. I mean, if it's your makeup, you know, like, and you feel comfortable, you can definitely put it on your eye from, you know, from there to there directly, or you could put it on maybe your hand. But off rip, I'm gonna just let y'all know the napkin didn't do it for me. Yeah, you see my face. But either way, if it do, you know, since you're here, you want to use your concealer and outline the bottom arch of your eyebrow. So here I am trying to get some more concealer because I'm over here just wasting product, basically. Trying to decide, do I want to just use the brush that's already on the doggone, what you call it? But I was like, whatever. Let me just get the directions one more time because I'm like confusing myself. Okay, like it is what it is. So here I am outlining the arch of my brow. Yeah. I kind of wish I zoomed in or to check and see it better, but y'all be able to see it. It's cool. After you outline your brow with the concealer, like I said, the arch of your brow, you want to use the same brush, and you're using your flat brush right now to get some foundation and outline the bottom of your brow from the beginning of your brow to the rest of your eye. So you don't want to go on top of the concealer, but you do want to go around the concealer, and you know, finish off the back of your eye and you know, start on the front. And then you want to go right ahead. Oh, I guess I'm a little ahead. So, you know, take your time. Really make sure that you're putting the concealer where you know, how you around your eyebrow, the way you know, you're looking for the type of arch that you're looking for. Because this does make the difference. You are technically shaping your eyebrow right now. Nice. Okay, I dig it. Let's go. Now you want to take some more foundation and you want to actually outline the top of your eyebrow. How you want the top of that arch to look, huh? You know? Come on, let's shape some more. Shape with me, guys. Shape with me. Yeah, I'm looking at it. Okay, sis. Come through. No arch weird. No brows weird. Because them brows is weird. Now we're just going to grab the blending brush and start to pat out your foundation and concealer. You really want to be sure to pat it out gently, like a tapping motion kind of, rather than like dragging motion. So that's what you about to see me do. Tap it out for a little while. You know how that go. And when you're finished, you definitely want to do the same exact steps with your next eyebrow. I did not include both of my eyebrows in this tutorial. As you can see, I was feeling myself already, and my do-rag was coming through for the other side. So look, we got an arched brow and a do-rag. What's up? Like, we didn't really need much else, or I didn't feel like we did. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. And I am including the fact that a picture is at the end of the video for you guys to see how my brow came out. But like I said, you definitely want to just start your steps all over and get the second brow done. I'm sure in the future when you do see me and my brows is arched, it'll look better because I had my practice after my tutorial. But, if it does start to look better, definitely, drop a comment and let me know that you see me because I'm really out here. Okay, guys. Much love. Talk to you soon. Yeah, I know I said bye, but yes, I was looking like, all right, I'm about to get to the second brow. Like, what's up? And then I was just like, I think you start with this brush. And I was just like, yeah, this eyebrow look popping. And my do-rag coming through.